Hello and welcome. This is lesson 16 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about the sounds of N. Alright? Now, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi: A, A, I, U, U, Ye, I, Wo, Au, and Aha. And we know about the consonants too, right? We know that half consonant, when gets added to a vowel, we get sound, which is called as barahakadi in Hindi. And we have been doing that till now. We've been adding the half consonants to the vowels to see the sound, to see what sound we get. Alright? And in this video, we will add this half consonant to all these vowels and see what sounds we get. Alright? So let us start with the first sound, which is N. N. Alright? Now, if you are a foreigner from other country, or if you are from a place where you do not have this particular letter, then it will be difficult for you to pronounce it. Okay? Now this is not N. As I've written in English, this is not N. N. This is N. N. Alright? So few of the Indian languages do have this letter. Okay? Kannada has it. Okay? Now, if you know about this, then you can pronounce it. But if you do not, then it takes some practice for you to pronounce. Okay? N is different. This is N. N. Your tongue has to curl backwards while pronouncing this. Okay? N. N. And when it gets curled up, it has to touch to the top surface of your mouth. Okay? This is N. 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 While explaining or while pronouncing N, okay, N, the tongue need not curl backwards. Okay? But while pronouncing N, N, the tongue has to curl backwards. Alright? But there is no other way to write N in English, so that is why I have taken N and A. Alright? So N is the first sound. And you get this sound N when you add N to A. N plus A equal to N. Alright? And you don't have to remember this too, because it is difficult to pronounce the half consonants. Alright? It is difficult to pronounce half consonants, and you just have to remember this. There are no examples in English which I can give you because there is no usage in English. Alright? So the usage of this will be only in Hindi and other regional Indian languages. Alright? So let us see how to write N. Okay? Yeah. The second sound is Na. 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 And you get this sound Na when you add N to A. N plus A equal to Na. 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 And Na is written like this. Okay. Next is Ni. 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 And you get the sound Ni when you add N to E. N plus E equal to Ni. N plus E equal to Ni. Ni. And Ni is written like this. Okay. Yes. The next sound is ni, 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 and you get the sound ni when you add n to e. N plus e equal to ni. N plus e equal to ni, ni, and ni is written like this. All right. The next sound is nu, 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 and you get the sound nu when you add n plus u. N plus u equal to nu, nu, nu. All right. Nu is written like this. Okay. Yeah. Next is nu, 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 and you get the sound nu when you add n to u. N plus u equal to nu. N plus u equal to nu, nu, and nu is written like this. Okay. Yeah. All right. Next is ne, 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 and you get the sound ne when you add n to a. N plus a equal to ne. N plus a equal to ne, ne, and ne is written like this. All right. Next sound is nai, 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 and you get this sound nai when you add n to I. N plus I equal to nai. N plus I equal to nai, nai. All right. So nai is written like this. Okay. One more. Yeah. Yeah. Next sound is no, 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 and you get the sound no when you add n to o. N plus o equal to no. N plus o equal to no, no, and no is written like this. Okay. Yeah. Next sound is now, 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 and now is obtained when you add n to ow. N plus ow equal to now. N plus ow equal to now, now, and now is written like this. Okay. Next sound is num, 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 and you get the sound num when you add n to N plus equal to num. N plus equal to num, num, and num is written like this. Okay. And the last sound is naha, 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 and you get this sound naha when you add n to aha. N plus aha equal to naha. N plus aha equal to naha, naha. All right. Naha is written like this. Okay, yeah. So those are the sounds of n. All right. Now, when you pronounce it, the tongue has to curl backwards. Okay, yeah. To recap, it is n plus a equal to n plus a equal to na, n plus e equal to ni, n plus e equal to ni, n plus u equal to nu, n plus u equal to nu, n plus a equal to ne, n plus I equal to nai, n plus o equal to no, n plus au equal to now, n plus equal to num, n plus aha equal to naha. Alright, so those are the sounds of n. Go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.